Hello! It's the Wacky Tax Guy, here in video number 4 in the series. I'm sitting here making a mask. And before I talk about today's topic, I like to talk about masks. Why aren't people wearing them? I go out and I see a person here, a person there. They don't got a mask on. Don't they realize it'll stop the spread of the virus and help protect their family and their friends and their people in their neighborhood, the people that are serving them, that are getting in their stuff? Why aren't you wearing them? Wear your mask. I was watching TV the other day, and this dude in Phoenix, Arizona at this plant that ironically made masks was there with goggles on and no mask. Now I'm thinking, why would he wear goggles and not a mask? Maybe he just wants to look cool. Or look cool and protect his eyes, but not care about the people around him. What's wrong with you? Leadership. To be a good leader, you have to practice what you preach. And realize that actions speak louder than words. Not that I'm such a great leader or an expert on leadership. Well, I did Google it. But it's not like I would tell my clients that you go ahead and deduct this when I won't deduct it on my own tax return. Why would I do something like that? Or do I look like a person that would do something like that? Oh, man. Oh, let's just get back to tax. And we're going to do a little counting today. And what I'd like to talk about is, people are sitting at home and they're probably thinking, why do I need to work for someone when I can work for myself? Maybe I should start a business. But if you do that, you have to think of several things, such as how much it'll cost to make a product. So let's do an example of making designer masks. So maybe people would like them and go out and everybody would wear them. But as an example, not that I would make designer masks. I mean, I do have this lucrative accounting tax business going. But let's just say if I did, I would have to calculate how much does it take me to make this mask in terms of the material I have to buy and uses of thread and a sewing machine. And, if I just based my cost on that, I'd be shortchanging myself. Because you have to realize there's a lot of other costs in a business. Whether it be, in this case, setting up an internet site in order to sell the product, advertising the product, the distribution of the product. You may get so many orders that you would have to hire people to help you make them, which will be great, but you have to take into how much you're going to have to pay them. There's a budget that needs to be done, and you have to take all these costs into account and to decide how much you could charge if you want to make money. Also, it'd be nice to make masks for charity, which is also nice. But let's say if you're doing another business and you want to start a business, you got to take all this into account. One other thing I like to say and talk about is entity. What type of entity would you do in order to have your business in? If you did it yourself, what's called a sole proprietorship, then you'll be leaving yourself out there for lawsuits because you wouldn't have any liability protection on your personal assets. So if you were doing a business where you could possibly get sued, you maybe want to have an entity like a LLC, a limited liability company, so that your personal assets are protected. Now, if you were making masks, maybe you wouldn't need, well, who's going to sue you? But I did make a personalized mask for myself, as you can see. But you know what? I used to Sharpie. When I put this on, I get some toxic stuff going up my nose. And you know what? If I try to sell something like this, I probably will get sued. So maybe I would need a limited liability company. But anyway, some tips if you wanted to start a business. But This is a nice one. I call this mask deep sea fishing. Anyway, let's get on with something else. I know it was very popular. People sending in their questions on the internet. So I'm going to take a few today. And let's just take a few questions. And let's take some that pertains to business. So be like in the kind of the scheme of things here. Okay, we got somebody here. Let's see who. Downtown Danny. Oh, Downtown Danny, or maybe it's Danny Downtown. Oh, can I estimate my expenses on Schedule C for my business and just put down $250, $1,500? Mr. Downtown. No! Your return will be stamped audit me if you did something like that. Get with it, dude. What are you, lazy? Take out your check register and your charge card receipts and your receipts for your expenses and add them up. It's easy. It's not rocket science. You can do it on a piece of paper or get an Excel spreadsheet or something. Come on, dude. Man. Oh. Let's see if we get a better one here. Oh, let's see. There's a question from Tommy T-Bone. Oh, interesting character. Can I deduct expenses I paid off the books? Mr. T-Bone, do you feel lucky, punk? Because if you start expensing stuff off the books, you're going to get audited. And they'll be sending you downtown with Tommy to the IRS office. Come on, dude. Off the books. Why would you put something off the books on a tax return? Off the books is off the books. Not that the Wacky Tax Act controls off the book accounting. I mean, if you're paying someone, you need to fill out a 1099 miscellaneous if they're an independent contractor, or a W-2 if they're an employee. Come on, man. Oh, we're getting aggravated. I better stop with these questions. Oh, I know everybody is kind of on edge sometimes with quarantine and the way things are going, but hopefully they'll get better. I mean, to be a rock and not to roll isn't a fun thing. But I would just like to say, when you go out, wear a mask. Wash your hands good. Use sanitizer when you have to. And please, please do not ingest Lysol. Oh, I like to thank all the people out there in the stores giving us stuff. Especially the person at Dunkin' Donuts that gets me my coffee. I mean, I go in there, I don't even have to say anything, and they get it. I don't have to talk through my mask and smell my stinky breath. I know I need to go to a dentist. But thank you. Thank you for everybody out there giving us the stuff we need. The Wacky Tax Guy. Appreciate you.